Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Cheng Nyek and this is Cheng Nyek YouTube channel. Today, we begin with a serious warning from the international community about the future of peace in South Sudan. The Norwegian ambassador to South Sudan, Roar Høglund, has raised deep concern, saying the peace process cannot move forward while one of its main signatories is still being detained. He was speaking directly about the current political crisis and urged all parties in the peace deal to stop acting alone and instead choose dialogue. According to him, only dialogue can end the tension and prevent more fighting. He added that both Norway and other partners have not been allowed to visit First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar. And this shows just how political the situation has become. The ambassador also called on South Sudan leaders to step up and show real commitment by starting voter registration, passing the right law for election and making clear decisions. He said none of this has been done yet and time is running out. He also touched on the issue of corruption. According to Transparency, South Sudan is currently ranked the most corrupt country in the world. Norwegian, as a co-chair of public financial management, continued to stress the need for transparency and accountability in how public money is handled. Most diplomatic missions in Juba are now calling with one voice for peaceful dialogue, the release of political detainees, and an end to any action that might increase tension. Once again, Ambassador Høglund pointed directly to the case of Dr. Riek Machar. Dr. Riek Machar, who is still under house arrest, with election planned for December 2026, there is a real concern that if things don't change soon, if registration, dialogue, and real reform don't begin, South Sudan could fall back into conflict. The United Nations is also warning that leaders must stick to the peace roadmap. The whole world is watching. The big question now is, will South Sudan leaders act in time, or will they wait until it is too late? That is all for now. I'm Cheng Nyek and this is Cheng Nyek channel. Stay informed and stay safe.